Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. As you see here, it is going to be about health and medical vocabulary. And in this lesson, we are going to focus on three parts. Part number one, we are going to deal with good habits and bad habits. In the second part, we are going to see some sicknesses and some verbs related to health. And finally, we're going to practice some exercises. So let's start with the good habits and bad habits. Look at the words and expressions here in front of you. I am sure you know most of these words and expressions. Well, I want you to see which ones are for good habits and which ones are for the bad habits. Ready? Great. So here, the words and expressions in green are for good habits, and the ones are in red are for bad habits. So let's start with the good habits. Here we are going to see some pictures, and you are going to describe what you see. For example, first picture, great, stop smoking. Very good job. So stop smoking. This is by far the most difficult, dangerous, and bad habit because it leads to death, as you've seen here. It is also the hardest bad habit to quit and change, but it is not impossible. Next picture. Great. Exercising. You don't need me or someone else to tell you how important exercising is. Exercising helps you have a healthy heart. If you don't exercise, you risk to have heart disease and high blood pressure. So, do a bit of exercise every day and you get healthy. Next. Great. Brushing your teeth. So, brushing your teeth regularly. Once you brush your teeth regularly, you brush back the bacteria. Brushing your teeth is very important because it helps you prevent gum disease and tooth decay, like in this picture. Tooth decay and gum disease. Next, drinking water. This can do so many good things for your body. It delivers oxygen throughout the body. It boosts skin health and beauty, like in this picture. And it also prevents kidney damage. Last one, sleep well. So getting and having enough sleep helps you to reduce the risk of disease. It helps you as well to improve memory and also helps you feel happy and energetic during the whole day. Let's move now and talk about bad habits. You are going to look at pictures and try to describe them. Let's start with the first picture, biting your nails. So biting your nails is a bad habit because by doing this, it causes sore fingertips and nail deformation. Sore fingers, ألم الأصابع. Nail deformation, تشوه في الأظافر. Next, smoking. We all know that smoking leads to heart attack, breathing difficulty, cancers of the mouth, lungs, and throat. Next, eating a lot of junk food or a lot of fast food. We all know that eating a lot of junk food and fast food causes obesity and can elevate and boost the risk of diabetes. Next, spending too much time on your computer. It is bad for your eyes and your back, and you will face sore eyes and back aches. And doctors don't advise us to spend too much time in front of the computer or phone screens. Last picture, sleep late. So going to bed late can lead to headaches and dizziness. Sleeping late, you won't feel okay you won't concentrate at work or in your studies, and you won't feel that active. Let's move now to deal with part number 2, which is about some sicknesses and verbs related to health. So as well here you are going to look at some pictures, try to describe them as well. Picture number 1. We can see here a broken leg. So when a bone is broken, it is then put in a cast to help immobilize the bone or the leg so that it heals quicker. Picture 2. A backache. A backache is that terrible pain in the back. Next. Very good. Fever. It is the high body temperature usually accompanied by shivering and headache. Shivering. Next. Sore throat. It's that pain in the throat, typically caused by inflammation of it. Inflammation in Arabic means يلتئم. Next. An allergy. So when you react badly or feel sick when you eat something or touch a particular substance, then we can say that you have an allergy towards that thing or that food. Next, cough. Cough, the act of expelling air from the lungs with a sudden sharp sound. A stomachache. A stomachache. It's the pain in a person's belly. Belly in Arabic means al-batn. Next, a headache. A headache is that continuous and terrible pain in the head. Last one, a toothache. It's that unbearable and that terrible pain in our teeth. Let's move now to deal with some verbs related to health with examples. We can say here, catch a cold. Example, most people catch a cold from time to time. Catch a cold in Arabic means أصيب بنزلة برد. Next. Good. Hurt. For example, the boy hurt his ankle playing football. Next. Look here. Yes, we can say heal. Heal in Arabic means يلتئم أو يشفى. So a wound can take a long time to heal. Like in here, it took 30 days or more than 30 days to heal. Next, we can see a surgeon, right? So the verb is operate on. For example, the surgeon will operate on the patient at 3 o'clock. Next, what is the verb here? To sneeze. For example, when you have a cold, you sneeze a lot. Next, great. Faint. For example, she fainted when she heard the bad news. Next, good. Prescribe. Look here, we have a doctor and a patient. He, the doctor, is prescribing him or prescribing the patient a diet of the kinds of food to be eaten. Prescribe. يصف دواء. Next, swell. Swell means ينتفخ أو يتورم. For example, John's toes are swollen. He can't put on his shoes. Let's move now to part number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the list below. We have fever, sore throat, prescribe, swollen, allergy, faint, sneeze, and heal. We have seen all these words, so now your job is to put them in the right place. I want you to stop the video for 2 minutes or 3 and then go back for the correction. Sentence number 1. I think the baby has a cold, he has a runny nose, and he, very good, sneezes a lot. Number 2. I have an, to cats. Good job. Allergy. Number 3. It took a long time for the wounds to, very good, heal. Number 4. I think I'm going to have the flu. I have a, good, sore throat. It hurts when I swallow. Number 5. Ask the doctor to prescribe something for that cough. Good. Number 6. She's very hungry. If she doesn't eat something, she's going to, good, faint. Number 7. The baby's temperature is 40 degrees. He has a high, good, fever. Last one. His right eye has, very good, swollen and closed up. Well done. Let's move now to exercise number 2 and the last one. Here you are going to put these words and expressions in the appropriate place. We have good habits, bad habits, sicknesses, and verbs related to health. So your job now. Prescribe, good, a verb. Eat fruits and veggies, good habit. Smoking, bad habit. Biting your nails, bad habit. Exercise, good habit. Stop smoking, good habit. A toothache, sickness. Drink plenty of water, good habit. Cure, verbs related to health. Brush your teeth regularly, it's a good habit. Overeating, bad habit. A sore throat, sickness. Hurt, verb. Going to bed too late, bad habit. Catch, verb. Eating junk foods, bad habit. Have breakfast, good habit. A broken leg, sickness. Sleep well, good habit. An allergy, sickness. Not drinking enough water, bad habit. A fever, sickness. Endure, verbs. A backache, sickness. A cough, sickness. Spending too much time on your mobile and computer, bad habit. Heal, verb. A headache, sickness. And finally, a stomach ache, sickness. Okay, well, thank you all for your attention. I hope this lesson was clear enough for you, and see you inshallah next lesson.